Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 11 captive screws in the bottom cover. One of the screws near the top should provide an opening for you to slip your opener pick into. Insert that opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide it along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. If the bottom cover doesn't pop off at this point, you may need to finish loosening that one screw. Gently pull back to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Unscrew 2 captive screws from the USB-C port bracket. Remove the bracket, flip open locking clip, unplug the USB-C cable from the motherboard, and remove the USB-C port. Plug the new USB-C cable back into the motherboard, and replace the port back into its slot. Replace the bracket, and tighten the 2 captive screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover, and tighten the 1 captive screw shown here. Gently push down to snap the rest of the bottom cover back into place. And tighten the remaining 10 captive screws.